Hi friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to grow a hibiscus plant from its cuttings. Before we begin, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to see more videos just as like this. Okay, now we will begin. First of all, you have to select some matured stem cuttings from your hibiscus plant. As you can see here, I have taken 2 stem cuttings from my hibiscus plant and it should be at least 3 inches in length. Now the next step is to remove all the leaves from the selected stem cuttings. Please make sure to select matured stem cuttings rather than collecting the young stem cuttings, because matured stem cuttings are capable of producing shoots and roots on them very fast rather than the young stem cuttings. Okay, now our cuttings are ready. Now I am going to make small scratches on the bottom of our stem cutting using a piece of blade. Do this to all the stem cuttings which you have taken. Please don't make scratches heavily. Please make scratches gently, otherwise it will destroy the stem cuttings. Okay, now our stem cuttings are ready. The next step is to take a glass tumbler with little bit of water, and I am going to add a little bit of rooting hormone powder into the tumbler and then make the solution of the rooting hormone powder using a spoon. Okay, now our rooting hormone solution is ready, and you have to place the hibiscus plant cutting into the rooting hormone. Remember to place the bottom touching the rooting hormone solution. After 15 to 20 days, your hibiscus plant cuttings will be looking exactly like this. As you can see here, there are more shoots are produced on the hibiscus plant cutting. Now it is the time to transplant the cutting into soil or into a container. Please remember to place the cutting in the rooting hormone solution in a shaded area, and you should place for at least 15 to 20 days. In this period of time, new shoots will be emerged on your cuttings. After transplanting it into a pot, it will be looking like this after 40 days. It will produce hibiscus flowers within 90 to 100 days. Okay friends, this is how you can grow hibiscus plant from cuttings at your home. Hope you like this video. Please let me know your doubts in my comment section. Once again, thanks for watching and have a very wonderful day guys.